I love to be able to harvest my own produce from nature, to go home and to juice with or to prepare salad. Locally grown food that's in season, it just hits differently. It's more nutritious, it's super fresh, and it just gives you the opportunity to be able to support your community. At your local grocery store, don't you know that around 20 people touch your food before you do? And supporting your local farmers market or even your local orchid, it gives you the opportunity. Let me speak for myself. It gives me the opportunity to connect with nature and the sun intentionally. It's literally a healing activity and it's mentally relaxing for me. And juicing, it just puts me in this meditative state. I love that I get to touch the fruit with my bare hands and silently say my affirmations while I watch the process. But the best part for me is the taste and knowing that I'm fueling my body with fresh nutrients and minerals. Knowing that I got to pick these specific fruits and vegetables myself, I brought them home, washed them, and was able to juice them, and now I get to drink them. I mean, that's literally a gift from nature.